Investigate osmosis using materials such as dialysis tubing. Now we have to investigate osmosis using materials such as dialysis tubing. This is a beaker. This is experimental setup. This is dialysing tube. It contains high salt concentration, low water concentration, and low water potential inside the dialysis tube. In beaker, there is low salt concentration, high water concentration, high water potential. Salt will diffuse from higher concentration to lower concentration, from dialysis tube to beaker. Water will diffuse from higher concentration or higher water potential to lower concentration or lower water potential, from beaker to dialysis tube. Diffusion and osmosis start at same time. Diffusion of salts. Salts diffuse from dialysis tube to the beaker. Salts diffuse from dialysis membrane to the beaker. And osmosis of water molecules from beaker to the dialysis tube or dialysis membrane. Water molecules move from beaker to dialysis membrane. At start, osmosis rate is higher as there is higher solute concentration and lower water potential in dialysis membrane as compared to the beaker where higher water potential. After a specific time duration, equilibrium is attained. Salt concentration becomes equal inside the dialysis tubing and inside the beaker. Same concentration of water inside the dialysis tube and in the beaker. Same concentration of salts inside the dialysis tube and in the beaker. At equilibrium, water concentration is same on both sides. At equilibrium, salt concentration is same on both sides. Now we will study the application of dialysis tubing. This is blood which contain urea molecules, and these are red blood cells. Blood, red blood cells, urea molecules. This is a partially permeable membrane, and these are pores in the membrane. From these pores, urea molecules can pass through as they are smaller in size, and red blood cells cannot pass through these pores. And there is dialysis fluid on the other side of partially permeable membrane. Diffusion starts. Urea molecules moves and come to the other side by the process of diffusion. In dialysis process, urea molecules diffuses through permeable membrane from blood to dialysis fluid. In dialysis process, at start, concentration of urea molecule is maximum in blood and minimum in dialysis fluid. At end, concentration of urea molecules is minimum in blood and maximum in dialysis fluid. In this way, urea is removed from the blood by the process of dialysis. Now we sum up the lesson. Salts will diffuse from higher concentration to lower concentration, from dialysis membrane to the beaker. Water will diffuse from higher concentration to the lower concentration, from beaker to the dialysis tube. This is the summary of the lesson. The end.